This man transformed his bicycle. He cut the last wheel and extended it into a three-wheeler. This boy removed his bicycle tires and replaced them from the bike wheels after some changes and gave it a fabulous look. This man rescued an old, rusted car toy, disassembled it, washed its every part, and transformed it into a new Ferrari car. These company workers are manufacturing an aircraft by assembling its different parts, laying down carpets on the floors, and checking its roof one by one. Heavy machinery is laying down parts of railway tracks, connecting each other over the bridge. This company creates face sculptures by using hard plastic to give it a real look, and then are being attached to the bodies of lifelike human robots. A manual vacuum forming machine, Formec 508FS, is thermoforming cars, toys, faces, and sculptures. T-shirt folding and packaging machine is showing its working process by folding different T-shirts. The digital roll printer is smoothly laying an entire brick layer to form brick stress in a short time. A thick layer of rubber is molded into steel, joined through wires and glue to turn it into heavy truck wheels. A group of workers are manufacturing a large gas engine and assembling cylinders on the side of the engine. Plastic is pressed under hydraulic pressure to form the cylinder used for fire extinguishers. Large wood blocks are being cut down into tiny pieces and delivered to another machine to make matchsticks from them. An expert shoemaker is customizing nylon slippers effortlessly in a show company.